only way you're going to get better, man, you got to put the work in.
Brothers on three. 1, 2, 3, brothers.
Everything that we do out here is for a purpose.
Hey, you got to get in there and fight now. You got to get in there and fight.
Let's stop that talking and let's just do it, bro.
Belly on three. 1, 2, 3.
In 2 days. What are we, about 55 hours, something like that? 2 days until kick. A&M and Bama in a top 10 battle at Kyle Field Saturday on CBS.
As it gets closer, you can feel that tension rising and things like that.
This is a biggin.
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm on pins and needles.
Alabama at A&M.
In the now, I'm assuming, 273,000 seated Kyle Field.
How many seats they got down there now?
It's 273,000. This is true.
Good to see you. Thank you. Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Does it every game feel big?
Coach Summer says all the time, the more games you win, you guys will be here more. We'll have more 230 games, and the more games you win, every game just gets bigger and bigger. But you just got to take it a week at a time. You said the reason Alabama is the most important opponent because of the next opponent.
What do you major in?
Architecture, math, and business.
Okay. Long term, you want to be a lawyer?
Probably become an attorney, like my dad, my brother, my sister, and my other sister. So.
Were you always a quarterback? I mean, was that your vision of yourself your whole life, basically, a quarterback?
You know, the first day I played Pop Warner when I was 7, they said, what do you want to play? And I said quarterback, and it just worked out. And I got tired of quarterback after a while, so I asked to play D-end when I was like 10 or 11, and then I didn't like that, so I went back to quarterback.
You guys ready? How are you?
How you doing, man? And your name?
How you doing? Good to see you.
Steve
Yeah, good to see you.
How are
Everything
you?
all right?
How are you?
Great. How are you? Good to see you again. How are you doing?
The nation will be watching the Aggies in Alabama. Getting a good look during the week of prep is required to be ready for showtime.
Hey, let's go! Go. Set, hit, hips. Good, good. Set, hit, drop it down. Hey, field goal.
Make sure you're hydrating. It's a little bit warm this last couple of days. Make sure you're eating right and taking care of business, okay? Julia, you got it.
Let's go, everybody in. Family on three. 1, 2, 3. Family.
The Pulse, Texas A&M Football, is brought to you by Memorial Hermann, official sports medicine partner of Texas A&M Athletics.
Go to Legend for our first call of the day. Legend, how are you feeling?
Feeling good. I am feeling good. It don't get no bigger than this, Paul. In one corner, the undefeated Aggies, in the other corner, the 15-time national champion, baby. Go big or go home. In Aggies, you are already home, baby. I always seen A&M as a sleeping giant. It's got all to do with that old money. Cha-ching!
There's nothing like the SEC. No conference matches the passion in the stands or the intensity on the field. It's felt between the hedges, in the swamp, on Rocky Top, and in Death Valley. This particular Saturday in Aggieland epitomizes what has made SEC football a way of life for its fans. For the players, everything you have, mentally and physically, is a requirement.
Defensively, opportunity is waiting. The guy that does his job the best will be remembered for a long time. Now, all that performance needs to be is to do your job because opportunity's waiting. I don't want to hear about Alabama because this is about who? Us. This is about who? Us. This is about who? Us. Let's get it going, man. Let's have it. This is what we prepared for 2 weeks.
This is our house. This is our team.
Fight between the lines.
Break down.
Set, win.
Break down.
Set, win.
Break down.
Set, win.
Let's go. Hey, not on three. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
The Polls, Texas A&M Football, is brought to you by Pepsi, official soft drink of Texas A&M Athletics.
Newly renovated Kyle Field. It took 2 years, but they expanded this place to 102,000 plus. And it is always a great scene.
A gorgeous Saturday afternoon serves as the backdrop, the game's newest cathedral as the site. At the center of it, a top 10 matchup. It's why college football is embedded deep in our souls.
Alabama will kick off. A&M won the toss, and they have elected to go on offense. He rolls to his right, gets a good block from his tackle and overthrows. Almost picked off, and then it is caught by Kirk. On first down, they go with the no huddle again. Quick flip out this side. Whoa, boom. Derek Keefe will remember his first catch of the season. Ouch.
A&M and the Tide spar a bit. Then an Aggie misstep helps Bama strike the first blow.
Here's Allen rolling out, gets a block, flips it, too high, intercepted, down the sidelines. This is going to Minka Fitzpatrick, who strolls in, untouched.
Well, Kyle Allen has started off this game tight.
Here's Allen going deep. He's got Kirk down there, and it's tipped away at the last second by Eddie Jackson.
Whoa. They have run the ball against Alabama the last 3 years, the running back, not the quarterback, 59 times for just 181 yards. Their long game in 3 years, 10 yards.
They hand it off. Oh, boy! Henry, nice move. He will stroll in untouched.
The Aggies moved the ball, but resulting in only 2 long field goals by Taylor Bertolet. But their own mistakes and Alabama capitalizing on them leave A&M behind.
First down and goal. Henry, the running back. Coker gets the snap from Ryan Kelly. Why not? Lead the big guy. Call it a touchdown.
No, yep, you're right.
Pump once. Intercepted. Eddie Jackson has another one, his 4th of the year, and he's got some blocking help.
Wow. The Aggies need a spark, while a young freshman is set for an explosion.
Great punt. Can it be covered?
Kirk gets a block. Gets another block.
Got it.
He may score. He will score.
Christian Kirk allows Kyle Field to erupt. The 12th man is ready to answer the bell. full-on fight to the finish begins.
And the kickoff from Bertolette. This one maybe headed out.
Oh, it got a good bounce.
Oh, he did. Damian Harris
took it in the
fumbles
end zone. It did not have to be come out.
Yep. Ross Piersbaker.
There's no doubt that the crowd helped on this penalty. Okay.
Oh, another movement on the left side, and I think it might be Piersbaker again. Oh, Robinson, yes.
The home of the 12th man made a play there.
Derrick Henry gets the handoff, breaks one tackle, still struggling, he is stopped.
The Aggies started poorly, yet they kept swinging. There's a lot of rounds remaining and time to make up ground in this heavyweight bout.
The Polls. Texas A&M Football is brought to you by ASCO, your place for case construction equipment in Texas.
We're back to Kyle Field. It's halftime. I'm Will Johnson with head coach Kevin Sumlin. He's just come out of the locker room. Coach, keys to getting Kyle Allen in the quarterback position rolling.
Well, we're going to play both of them. I think Kyler came in and gave us a spark. We just got to protect the ball. We 2 turnovers, 2 for 14 points is the difference in the game.
Gets this one back. Coker, right side. O.J. Howard makes the catch. Second down. They give it off to Henry. Cut down. Third down, 8. Coker pumps once. Complete. Right side. It'll be 4th down. Richard Mullaney popped by Armani Watts, number 23.
Well, there is no doubt that John Chavis has adjusted, and they're going to challenge Alabama to throw the ball.
To start the third quarter, the defense makes a stop. The offense then goes 3 and out. Special teams arrives just in time again.
Drew Kaiser, Cyrus Jones is back to return it. Watch out. Loose ball.
Oh, yes, he did.
47-yard line. Aggies have it.
Is that the 12th man making the play?
Yes, it is.
How about that?
Sam Miller. Allen goes deep. Got a man. Caught. First and goal, Ricky Seals-Jones. Allen. Caught. Ricky Seals-Jones. Touchdown, Aggies.
He's 6'5", and this time it was not overthrown by Kyle Allen. Bama is crowding the line of scrimmage. Here's your matchup right here to the outside. They are playing run one-on-one. Oh, a nice crisscross route there. They forced the switch. And right at the end of that play, Cyrus Jones could not get inside and make the play.
With special teams already going above and beyond, they keep the momentum on the Aggies' side.
J.K. Scott.
Blocked.
Oh, it's blocked. It sure is. How do you do? Looked like Myles Garrett might have gotten it.
Comes right off the edge right there.
Bertolette has hit 2 in excess of 50 today.
It's another one, huh?
Yeah, 52. Cut the margin to 5 if he's successful. Ooh. Short.
Missed opportunities began to mount. The defense, however, slammed the doors shut on any Bama chances that arose.
Pumps once, nobody open. It's intercepted. Picked off by Minka Fitzpatrick. Poor decision, and Fitzpatrick flying down the sideline. Touchdown, Alabama.
3 pick sixes. Holy cow.
Crimson Tide, 1 blemish on their record. They lost at home to Ole Miss. The handshake with Kevin Sumlin, Nick Saban, as the final 15 seconds run off the clock.
The Pulse, Texas A&M Football, is brought to you by AT&T, mobilizing your world.
Toss, Henry. Oh, brother! Justin Evans hit him hard.
It was a real man's game. There was on all phases of the game. You know, whenever the ball was snapped, there was some real football being played. You walk off that field and it's kind of interesting. You kind of look around, you see players shaking people's hands, and there was some mutual respect on both sides.
Although this team delivered blow after blow to Alabama, its own mistakes were the haymaker. It's the lone defeat of the season. The Aggies played well enough at times, showing that if they put it all together, they may not have to feel this again.
We got 6 more opportunities to control our own destiny. All of your goals that you set, that we set at the beginning, are still in front of you. You know that, right? Yes, sir. All of them. And the quickest way not to achieve them is to fracture ourselves from within. We're going to go back to work as coaches, okay? You guys got to keep grinding. Keep grinding. Right? We got a hell of an opportunity still. Playing conference teams. Going on the road next week. Okay? People are going to attack you about this, that. Who did this? Who did what? The hell with that. Okay? We'll correct what happened today. Right? But after on Monday, we're moving on. You guys hear me? Yes, sir. We're moving on to next week. We can't let this turn into next week and next week. You feel me? Yes, sir. Right? And the only way that happens is right here, mentally. That we stay together as a team. Because it's a team that brought us to this point. Sure. That brought us here. And it's going to be a team that goes to Ole Miss next week. A team, not a bunch of individuals.